Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put number 1 goal here and here. Ln number 1 we have 0, 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 we have 0. So we got 0 over 0. That is about L hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over s. This one we have 3s to the power of 2. Now I will put number 1 going here and here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.